Hello friends, I'm Hector Ruiz and today I'm going to show you how to form a router bit. Let's start with the first step. Change the disc to remove the channels. Make sure you fine-tune the cutting angle. What we will use is a normal metal cutting disc, which is perfect for this job. After installing a new disc, we will proceed to cut the shaft of the milling cutter as it was given to us by the lathe operator when he has formed it. Once we have successfully removed the shaft, we proceed to the roughing of the blades according to the desired depth. The blades are roughed out little by little using an emery stone. On this occasion we will leave the final depth at 5/8 of an inch. When using one router bit or router bit to rough out blades, try to rough out the other evenly, always respecting the desired depth to maintain the same level. Over the years, we have done numerous carvings, from altarpieces and high-relief sculptures to a variety of other works. The world of art has no limits. Very important when working with router bits, especially to obtain a more precise cut and a cleaner carving. I am going to guide you step by step on how to perform a roughing of the blades and how to grind the center of the router bit or router bit. This will help you get much better results on your woodworking projects. The first thing we are going to do is to rough the blades of the router bit. This process consists of shaping the blades so that they can cut more efficiently. It is important that this part is well done, as it will determine the quality of the cut and the size. Once we have the roughing done, we will move on to the next phase, which is the grinding of the center of the cutter. The next step is to grind what will be the center of the drill or milling cutter. We will do this very carefully because we need the center to be well aligned for cleaner cuts. We are going to look for the center at the end of the end mill. This is a crucial process to make sure the cut is precise. We're going to punch step by step, trying to make the two picks at the center of the cutter symmetrical. Then, we are going to use the 100 grit grinding stone to bring the blades closer to the final point. This process is very important, because with a finer grit stone, we will achieve a more precise finish. Remember that the 100 grit stone is ideal for shaping without generating too much wear. Now, let's talk a little bit about the different types of burrs we can use. The choice depends a lot on the type of work you are going to do. If you want a cutter for dry or deep carving, or perhaps a drill that can work deeper, it is important to consider the characteristics of each type of cutter. Some burrs are wider while others are designed for finer cuts. Once we have our cutter or drill well ground and ready to use, it is time to test it. The ideal is to test it on different types of wood to see how it behaves. Remember that the finer or harder the wood, the better the result. This is key to achieve pieces that are almost sanded, as is the case with hardwoods such as mahogany. I recommend you to try it on woods like mahogany, because this wood has a texture that allows us to clearly see the finish we get with our well-ground burrs. Here I show you some of the final results that we have obtained when working with the milling cutters that we have rectified and shaped correctly. As you can see, the parts have a very clean finish, almost as if they were sanded. These are the kind of results we can get when we take the time to do the job right. Remember, the success of a good carving job depends not only on the tools, but also on the technique we use. So be sure to follow each step carefully. I hope this video has been helpful and that you have learned a little bit about how to grind and shape your router bits for cleaner and more accurate cuts. Don't forget that practice is key. So be sure to experiment and try different setups to find what works best for your work style. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on woodworking and carving techniques. Thanks for watching this video and God bless you.